Okay, Carl, what are you making today?
Okay, well this here is, we call it Max Metal. It's aluminum composite. So it's aluminum on one side and the other with a foam core in the middle. So it makes it very lightweight and durable. So it's great for outdoor signs.
Okay.
And this is for a local church for their kids area.
Okay. Well, show me how it's going to mount.
And this is going to mount on the wall, so it has letter pads, and you just screw in the all thread, and then that would get put in the holes drilled on the wall.
Okay.
And
Well, how do you know where to put the holes on the wall?
how do you know? Here we go. This is how you know. You see these marks on her template match up with
Okay.
the spindles.
So the customer tapes the paper template to the wall, punches the holes right where
Yeah,
these are,
right on the.
and they drill a hole right there, whether it's a block wall or a wood wall or a dry wall, and then they just push the letters into them. And I think you put a little silicone on them to make it stay.
Tap the silicone on the all thread, push it in, and then in 48 hours that letter's not going to budge.
Okay. All right. It's for the kids area, it looks like to me.
Yes.
Very cool, Carl. Thank you. Okay, Carl, what do we got here?
Well, this is pretty much a multifaceted job with black Sintra, with letter pads that
Okay.
will be mounted on a wall for a customer's logo. So the letter pads we have all thread that screws in. Because we really don't need to do all of them, you get the idea.
Yeah.
And those will go into the wall and into the holes that are drilled with
Okay.
have a silicone.
Let's see what you got here.
So logo. This one here has vinyl adhesive on top of Sintra to give a nice shiny finish, and it has what we call a French pleat. So that would go mounted to the wall, and then that slides on.
Okay.
And so I'm getting everything ready to package up and ship to the customer.
Let's lay out what goes on. This is just a piece of paper here, right?
Yeah, it's just paper. And you can see the marks on the paper correspond with the letter pads.
Okay.
So you drill a hole in the X after this is
See.
positioned on the wall.
Okay.
And it's a perfect template. And then, see how. So you can have a professional logo on your wall. You can see it's very simple.
Okay. And we're going to ship this across the country to somebody. All right. Does that go with it?
That goes with it also.
Okay.
And again, this is a white PVC, white Sintra, with the same adhesive. And then on our CNC router, we cut shapes in to give it a three-dimensional
Okay.
appearance. And again, this has the French pleats for the
Okay.
mounted on the wall.
All right. So that part in your hand gets screwed to the wall just like that, right?
Yep.
Okay.
We even pre-drill it, so
Okay.
there's no
So
guesswork.
what do these look like? A pair of hands. Very good.
No, there's no